Hey guys, so welcome back to Delpstack. Today I will be showing you how to whitelist a website in Brave browser. So guys, if you want a website with a hassle-free interaction, what you could try to do is you could just simply select the three lines on the top right corner of the screen, and now you will have this pop up. You just simply go down and go through the settings down below. Now, over here on the left side, you will have privacy and security here with the lock icon, and you will have sites and shields settings. So select this one. And now here, if we scroll down, we should have an option over here, pop-ups and redirect. So guys, on the Brave, these are the only feature that you can have to add a whitelist into your specific website. So from here, as you can see, this category is not allowed to send pop-ups or use redirect. You can just simply add. Now, if order for you to whitelist it, of course, you have to go for the allow and select add over here. And from here, you just simply provide the website that you want to whitelist to and click on add. And pretty much if you really want to turn everything overall as a default behavior, you can just simply toggle this on over here. But if you want to be more specific, you could use this feature right over here. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.